When ginger is cheap, I do this right away. Ginger lasts for a whole year without spoiling. Hello! It's great to see you again on the Clever Tricks channel. Whenever ginger is cheap, I usually buy a large bag to use gradually. But if left whole, ginger dries out quickly and easily sprouts. After many experiments, I've found 3 extremely simple and convenient ways to preserve ginger. Today, I'll share them with you. Let's get started. I have created subtitles in multiple languages. Please select your preferred language. Comment below and let me know which country you are watching from. It's amazing that we can connect from all around the world. This ginger was just bought from a local farmer. It was recently harvested, so there's still a lot of soil clinging to the roots. I rinsed it briefly first to remove any loose dust. Just rinsing with water and gently scrubbing is enough. You can see how much cleaner the ginger is now, right? Add 1 teaspoon of salt. Add 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Pour enough water to completely cover the ginger. Stirred. And soak for about 10 minutes. Now, I'll use the brush to scrub again, paying attention to the small crevices. It's such a joy that we're connecting from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. If the ginger root is too big, just break it in half for easier cleaning. Many people ask me if I peel the ginger. The answer is no. I usually leave the peel on, as long as the ginger is really clean. Rinse it 1 or 2 more times. Remove from the water and let drain. The ginger is now ready to use. I cut the ginger into small pieces like this so it's easier for the blender to blend. Put all the ginger into the blender. Add about 1 cup of water to blend more smoothly. Cover and blend until the ginger is finely minced. I usually blend it a little longer to get more ginger juice. Once blended, strain the mixture through a sieve or clean cloth. It's advisable to wear gloves at this stage, as the ginger juice can be quite hot on the hands, similar to chili peppers. Squeeze thoroughly to extract the maximum amount of water. Set aside the ginger pulp. We'll use it again later. Pour some of the ginger water into a glass jar. Add pure honey in a 1-to-1 ratio with ginger water. The ratio can be adjusted to taste. Stir gently until the honey dissolves in the ginger water. Seal the jar tightly and leave it in a cool, dry place for about 1 to 2 days to allow the honey to blend with the ginger water. Then, store it in the refrigerator for long-term preservation. This ginger-infused honey drink can be used for 6 to 12 months if kept in the refrigerator, retaining its aroma and ginger flavor well. Each time you use it, take 1 to 2 teaspoons of ginger and honey mixture. Mix it with warm water and drink it directly. You can add fresh lemon to enhance the flavor and vitamin C. This method helps the ginger retain its full essence, warms the body, and aids digestion. Next, pour the ginger water into an ice tray. Then place it in the freezer until completely frozen. When needed, simply take out 1 cube. Great for making drinks or cooking. Besides freezing the ginger water, I also made another version for cold days. Pour the remaining ginger water into a pot. Turn on the heat and bring to a boil. While boiling, stir constantly to prevent burning at the bottom of the pot. Once boiling, add a little sugar. You can adjust the amount of sugar to your taste. Reduce the heat and continue stirring until the mixture thickens and turns a light brown color. Once it's ready, turn off the heat and let it cool naturally. Prepare a clean, dry, sterilized glass jar. Pour the ginger mixture into a container and seal tightly. When using, usually only take a small spoonful. Add warm water and stir well. This method keeps the ginger well in the refrigerator for a long time. If you want to extend the shelf life, I will provide further instructions. For the ginger pulp, spread it evenly on the tray in a thin layer to help it dry quickly. I dried them using an air fryer, setting it to 120 degrees Celsius for about 45 minutes. Dry until completely dry. Once the ginger is dry, put it in a blender and grind it into a fine powder. It's such a joy that we're connecting from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. After grinding, sift it. If there are still large chunks, grind more. Put the finely ground ginger powder into a clean, dry, sterilized glass jar. Seal tightly. Ginger powder is very convenient. It can be used in cooking or mixed with warm water. Add a little honey. After use, simply close the lid and store in a dry place. If stored properly, ginger will last a long time. Thanks to this, you always have ginger readily available in various forms. So now I have ginger powder and ginger water ready to use anytime. This is something I do regularly because it's simple and convenient. And you, how do you usually use ginger? Let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching.